Man, that looked cold. Hi, Rolf Snobeck here. Thanks for joining me today. So in the last couple of days, we've had snow and high winds all the way from California across the Midwest, and it's hitting the East Coast this morning. So my question is it too late to plan ahead? For this weather event, clearly it is, but it doesn't mean that it's not a good time to get acquainted. Let me explain, and excuse me while I put my salesman's hat on for a minute here. Typically when storms like this happen, many building owners are struggling to find people to help them. In our case, in the roofing world, but it could be for any service. Tecta offers a customer solution center. What is that? It's a 24/7 call center where we can dispatch people to respond to your needs. I make the analogy that it would be similar to Amazon Prime. When you're an Amazon member, you set up a dashboard ahead of time, they know who you are, and when you point and click and order something, it's coming right to your house because you spent 10 minutes and set up that profile. We do a similar type of thing. We have a 10 to 15 minute enrollment call. We understand who you are. You understand what services we can provide and which of those you are choosing to buy. It's all set up ahead of time so that when disaster strikes, we can respond immediately and you're not scrambling trying to find a solution to a roofing problem. So if pre-planning makes sense to you so that you're prepared for the next disaster, let me know. We can set up a conversation. In the meantime, I hope you're having a safe day, and don't forget to follow me here on LinkedIn at #RolfTheRoofingGuy. Thanks.